How to access archived chats in ChatGPT. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can access all the archived conversations or chats that you used on ChatGPT. First, open up to your ChatGPT and take note that you won't be able to do this if you don't create an account. So make sure that you're already logged in. Now, at the left portion of your screen, this is how you archive a chat at first. So say, for example, we will be archiving this specific prompt or this chat. Just simply click on the three dots and choose on Archive. Now, once that specific conversation has been archived into the account that you have in ChatGPT, to access that, just go into your ChatGPT name, which is at the lower left. Click that, and then access your settings. Now, on the next page, all I have to do from here is just to locate the archived modifications. Just go into Data Controls, and as you can see, Archive Chat is around here. To access these options, just simply click on Manage, and then you should be able to access all the chats that you archived on ChatGPT. And that's basically it. That's how you access archived chats in ChatGPT.